Now we are going to see about evaluating HRD programs. So why learning goals are important? Learning goals are specific and measurable abilities or qualities you want your employees to display at work. These can be implicit or explicit, small, medium, or large. So learning goals are normally a quantifiable measure of employee skills and knowledge. So which helps it to determine if the existing skills are enough to achieve the targets or if the employee is learning additional training. So it also helps to either understand whether the employee skills and training programs are aligned with the business vision or not. That is very important why our learning goals are important. And learning goals are important because it is addressing the weakness and talent gap in the organization, which is very, very important. So one unless otherwise if you are not able to identify the talent gap, it is not possible to provide the right training methods and right training to the employees. And it also can create a transparent and consistent model to promote employee learning. And it enhances the employee satisfaction when they see the efforts that the employer puts into developing the learning programs. And also it increases the employee performance and the retention rate. That is another important aspect. As of now, the industry is having more attrition rate than pre-COVID levels. So it means that it is very important to retain the employees. So learning goals will help us to achieve such kind of things, and the overall business productivity will get increased automatically if you are able to provide a learning environment. So what are these are the types of learning evaluation. How we are going to evaluate the learning by means of all these five types. One is process evaluation, two is summative evaluation, three is formative evaluation, fourth one is impact evaluation, and fourth one is outcome evaluation. So process evaluation. What is mean by process evaluation? It will tell us how well the training programs were implemented and whether they align with the business strategies or not. So it makes sure the process of the learning is in right track or not. And summative evaluation is this is conducted after the training program is completed to determine if it is has been successful or not. It is just like evaluating after an exam is written, or we are evaluating the exams. So the same thing we are utilizing here called summative evaluation. Formative evaluation is the it is about evaluating the training program during its development stage itself so that we can able to avoid if something is not applicable to the training requirements or not, like in the every development stage itself we can able to eliminate the unnecessary elements in the training. And the fourth one is impact evaluation. We are trying to put forward how the impact is, whether it is a short term or long term. So the long-term impact of the of training on employee performance, retention, business productivity, all these are dealt with the help of impact evaluation. And the last evaluation is our outcome evaluation. So here the learning models have changed employee attitudes, behaviors, and knowledge, etc., and how this impacted the business. So we have to evaluate the outcome by means of an evaluation system. So this is called outcome evaluation. So why are evaluations are important? It is important because it gives a detailed information about the positives and the negatives of the learning program and how it is going to impact our employees, their performance, their productivity, their attitudes, and the behaviors. And it gets insights at the individual level, team level, and department and organizational levels. It means it is going to thoroughly analyze the entire our organization in all aspects with the employees and our organization as a whole. And it also helps to make better decisions for the future and correct the mistakes in the process which we are, already have in the system. And it is obvious that the ultimate goal of any business is to expand in the market and become the industry leader to reap the good returns. So evaluations are highly important. Why are evaluations as important? We know, as we have spoken, these are the seven areas which makes evaluations are more important. One is personal feedback. Second one is to identify the training needs. Third one is to set employee goals. Fourth one is employee recognition. Fifth one is transparency in dealing. Employee engagement in the sixth one, and seventh one, and the final one is employee retention. So this is where why we are putting more importance on evaluating the training models. Thank you.